Navigation system, Bose sound. This Mazda Speed 3 is in awesome condition inside and out with only 18k miles. With a powerful 263 horsepower, turbocharged engine and a slick shifting 6-speed manual transmission, this Mazda is an absolute blast to drive. With the utility and space of a 4-door hatchback, this Speed 3 is very comfortable and practical, yet it's also designed to be a high-performance automobile. It's been checked and serviced by our techs and a complimentary Carfax report is available. Features include a navigation system, Bose sound system, CD changer, stability and traction control, auto climate control, side and curtain airbags and more. The automotive press has nothing but praise for the Speed 3, so take it out for a spin today and find out why it's such a big hit with the major automotive publications. Please give us a call with any questions and feel free to stop in for a test drive. Go to www.infinitionoftacoma.com to see lots of high-resolution photos of this Mazda Speed 3. You can also text message us anytime, or call our pre-owned direct line, at 253-202-2978. Want to view our mobile website? Text message Infiniti1 to 50123. You can also find us on Facebook, Twitter and join our blog at www.infinitiworld.com. Also feel free to live chat with us on our website www.infinitionoftacoma.com.